Intex pools are an easy, affordable way to enjoy a nice swim in your own backyard. The downside? Setting it up every year, but you can speed up the process by following these 8 tips for installing your Intex pool. Check it out. Tip number 1, stock up on supplies and double check your parts. Intex pools require a lot of the same maintenance as more permanent pools. So before summer is in full swing, you'll want to stock up on some basic pool care supplies. You should have a telescopic pole, a skimmer, a pool vacuum, a nylon bristle pool brush, extra hoses, test strips or a water testing kit, and pool care chemicals like chlorine and shock to keep your water balanced. Oh, and be sure to wear protective gear like goggles and gloves when working with chemicals. Remember, safety first. Before you start assembling your pool, you also want to make sure that all of your Intex pool parts and pieces are there in the box and in good condition. Tip number 2, only set up your pool on a completely level surface. Nothing will ruin your pool setup like putting it on uneven ground. Your Intex pool must be on a flat, solid, level, and stable surface. If the ground is uneven, the water can shift to one side, causing stress on the pool frame and possibly leading to a collapse. The surface shouldn't vary more than 1 to 2 inches. Use a level to make sure that the ground is truly even. If you're setting up on your lawn, you can use a weed whacker to trim the grass down to the dirt and even out the dirt. You can also set up your pool on a concrete patio. In either case, a ground cloth or a tarp is recommended. And be sure to clear the area of rocks and other sharp objects. Whatever you do, do not set up your pool on sand. Sand can shift and cause the pool to lean to one side and put stress on the frame. The legs of the pool can also sink into the sand. Tip number 3, get help lifting your pool liner. The last thing you want is a hole in your pool before you even get it set up. And dragging your liner out by yourself is an easy way to tear it. So get a friend to help you move and unfold the pool liner. Be sure that your 2 filter connection holes are facing the direction where you'll be setting up your pool filter pump and connecting to electricity. If the holes are on the wrong side, well, that's why your friend is there to help you rotate the whole thing around. Tip number 4, get that same friend to help you build the frame. An Intex pool is kind of like IKEA furniture. It's one big DIY assembly process. So hopefully your friend will stick around to help you speed up that frame building process. Start by slipping the horizontal beams or poles into the sleeves of your pool liner and connecting the first pole to a T-joint. Continue going all the way around your pool, making sure T-joints aren't resting on your liner. The last T-joint is usually the hardest to connect, and where a friendly extra hand comes in handy. Finally, add the vertical support legs. Make sure that every leg is inserted into the rope or liner with the leg cap. A friend can really help you here too. Real quick before we continue, if you're looking for an easy to follow tutorial that'll answer all your pool questions, go check out our Pool Care Handbook and video course. You'll get over 30 in-depth video lessons and a step-by-step downloadable guide covering everything you need to know about pool maintenance. It's packed with money-saving tips so you can save money and time keeping your swimming pool clean. This is the ultimate manual for every type of pool, including in-ground, above-ground, and Intex blow-up pools. And the best part is we always keep it up to date, so once you buy it, you have access to the latest and greatest version for life. So because you're watching this video, you can go to swimuniversity.com/pool and use the promo code video. Tip number 5, take care of your filter pump. Your pool is only as good as your filtration system, and your Intex pool water can turn real nasty real quick without a healthy filter pump. Your filter pump is like your pool's kidney, circulating the water and filtering out any impurities. It also distributes sanitizer and other chemicals. The better it functions, the cleaner your water will be. If you have a cartridge filter pump with a standard filter cartridge, consider replacing it with an aftermarket cartridge. Your filter might even perform better. Depending on how often you use your pool, you may need to replace your filter cartridge every 2 weeks, and you should definitely replace it at least every pool season. And during pool season, check on your filter cartridge at least once a week. You can clean it by rinsing it with a garden hose, and if it still looks dirty, it's time to replace it. Now, if you have a sand filter pump, well, you're in luck. You won't need to buy replacement filter cartridges all the time, and sand filters tend to last longer than cartridge filters, and sand doesn't need to be changed as often. But it does require backwashing and rinsing. Be sure to check out our other videos about backwashing a sand pool filter. Regardless of what kind of filter pump you have, run it for at least 12 hours a day, every single day. and this will make sure that the water in your pool circulates at least once. Tip number 6, adjust your pool liner and frame before it's full of water. Once your pool is full of water, it'll be too late to change how it's set up. So smoothen out your liner and tighten your support beams before you fill the pool. Make sure there are no wrinkles on the floor of the pool. Pull the bottoms of the side supports away from the liner and make sure that the top beams of the pool are level. And it's okay if the walls and frame structure lean inward. As the pool fills with water, the pool size will slowly move outward. Tip number 7, check on your pool as it's filling. Depending on your pool size, hose size, and water pressure, filling your pool can be an all-day activity. Keep an eye on it as it fills, especially at the beginning, to make sure the water surface is level and there aren't any major leaks. And be sure you only fill up your pool to the fill line. Tip number 8, add a solar cover to heat the water up. Solar covers warm up your water during the day and help your pool retain heat even after the sun sets. That way, your pool is a perfect temperature whenever you're in the mood for a swim. So that's it. Those are the 8 tips for setting up your Intex pool. If you missed anything or have any questions, please leave a comment to let us know and to help your fellow pool owners. And hit the like button if you found this video helpful. If you want to learn more about pool maintenance and troubleshooting, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one and check out the Pool Care Handbook and video course at swimuniversity.com/pool. Don't forget to enter the promo code VIDEO to get 10% off. That's it. Thanks again and happy swimming.